and here is a well-less pearl tip. Really gives a really nice kind of pearlized effect. Just let me talk to you about actually sizing and fitting a tip first of all. Obviously you need to make sure that the finger is pointing towards you, that you're straight onto the finger. And when you actually size a tip, it's important that you hold it between your forefinger and your thumb, with your thumb on top of the tip, not this way around, but actually this way around, so that you can give the correct amount of pressure. When you size a tip, you need to make sure that you're not having to press the tip to make it fit and stretch the side walls, but that you can just place the tip against the nail and it fits straight along the side wall. And when you're happy with the tip, obviously you need to position it. And the way to position a well-less tip is to take Polybond glue and just paint gently the very edge of the tip, and with the excess glue that's on your brush, paint the free edge. Glue to glue attracts much better than glue that's just on the well of the tip. You need to just hold that for a few seconds. Okay? Always make sure that when you size a tip that you push their skin away. And any excess glue can be drawn back down towards the tip. Okay, using your tip cutters, am I okay? Great. Clip the tip down. Put a little bit of shape in. We then need to prime with the Attract Primer. So with the tip sized and filed down to shape, we need to apply the acrylic to reinforce the whole structure. And I'm going to use clear to do this, to reinforce the actual tip area, and then use Radiant Pink behind it to really heighten the pinkness of the nail plate, to give a real two-tone look. So place your brush into the dapping dish, wipe away the excess liquid, pick up the powder bead, wait for the powder to be chased away, place the product just in the centre of the whole tip, brush it out to the two sides, and then take the excess forward. I can now move behind that bead with a Radiant Pink. Out to the two sides and then forward. Starting to build the apex, and again behind that. Make sure your bead's totally absorbed. Press this one out with the cuticle. Right hand side, the left hand side, and then the middle. Use clear again if you feel that you need to reinforce any particular area. you go. Left quite a decent margin around the cuticle and the side walls. And as long as it's thin there, it can be easily blended to the nail plate so that it's flush and you can't see how far it is away. It's now ready to shape and file.